Let's talk about shapes in Paint. Open Paint. So here in the rectangle, these are shapes. To draw a straight line, select Line tool. From this tool, you can draw lines. Next is Curve tool. You can draw a curved line from this tool. Just simply draw a straight line, then click anywhere, the curve will appear. So this is the ellipse tool. You can draw circles, ellipse, oval from this tool. You can draw square, rectangles, and from this tool you can draw a rectangle with rounded corners, or you can draw a square from this, and you can draw a triangle, and we have a lot of shapes here. Let's talk about polygon tool. This tool does not have any specific shape, but you can draw lines and then connect it to the point where you have started, and the new shape will be formed. Now let's draw something by using polygon tool. So here we are drawing a car using polygon. Now draw along with me.